Exciting news in the action camera world. In this video, we dive into the features of the newly unveiled DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a game-changer that gives the GoPro Hero 13 Black a run for its money. Discover its groundbreaking 3.5-stop dynamic range, an impressive 4-hour battery life, and how it performs in extreme conditions, recording for 3.6 hours even at 20 for f. We'll explore its stunning 1.3 sensor that captures 4,000 video at 60 fps, perfect for low-light adventures, along with the innovative SuperNight mode equipped with AI noise reduction. Want to know about underwater capabilities? The Osmo Action 5 Pro can dive up to 20 meters without a case. Is the 15-minute charge for 2 hours of shooting time a game changer? And how do the different packages stack up? Join us as we break down everything you need to know before you buy. We want to hear from you. What features are you most excited about? Do you think it can outshine the GoPro? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more action camera reviews and tech updates. Share this video with your adventure-loving friends.